Hello, everyone. Good morning. I'm talking to you about why you need people to make money. Why you need people to make money. Yoruba's elders say, "Ènìyàn bonile ara ju aṣọ lọ." People often need other people to make money because money usually comes from solving someone else's problem, serving a need, or exchanging valuable or value in the market. In simple terms, your income depends on another person choosing to pay for what you offer, whether you are offering goods or services or both. Now, why people matter? You cannot make money in isolation for most real businesses, whether you are selling a product, offering a service, or working a job. Someone else has to buy, hire, or pay you. That is why relationships, trust, and communication matter so much in earning income. Now, let's go move on to the next aspect of what I'm saying. People also help create opportunities. A customer can become a repeat buyer. A friend can offer you can refer you to work, and a connection can open a door you could not open alone. I remember my first home lesson teaching I did in Lagos those days around the weather was through a person that knew me. I spoke about my success in my O level, and he saw me and he gained admission to university, so he just handed over the home lesson he was taking. Customers create income. No customer, no sale. Employers create jobs. If someone does not hire you, there is no wage. That is why you need people. Network creates referrals. Many opportunities come through people you know. Collaboration creates growth. Partners, mentors, and teammates can help you reach more people. Trust creates repeat money. People buy again when they trust you. Now, here is a simple example. If you sell phone accessories, your skills matter, but your money comes when another person wants a charger, case, or headset and pays for it. The same is true for freelancing, tutoring, and content creation. In content creation, people must like you before they continue to consume your content. I want to conclude by telling you that the real answer is this: people are the bridge to your success between your skill and your income. The more useful you are to others, the more chances you have to make money. So, make use of people. There's what is referred to as other people's money, OPM, other people's time. You can see people, 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 people. So wake up today. Don't just focus on getting the skill. Get the skill, also get people's skill. I like you and I'm happy that you are always on this channel and on this page listening to me. If you follow me like this for 6 months, taking my content one per day and acting on it, your life will be transformed. I'll see you in the next one.